it's your chance to be ruthless.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Today is dustless tile removal. Not noiseless, but dustless. And I'd say the dustless thing is mostly dustless. There's still dust. So I have our stuff covered in plastic. We're gonna do a lot of cleaning up afterwards. But this is so exciting to see how quick the tile is coming up. Chris did just a couple of rooms and it was a day and a half, 2 days of work. It was very dusty and very noisy and it was not fun. So it made it easy to decide to hire these guys. I'm hiding out in the shop here because it's so noisy. Chris and I are working outdoors today, and we even get near the house, we put on our earplugs. This is just a day in the life of buying a 61-year-old house.
And I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless.
If you like following Chris and I working on our own home, this fixer, and all the things we're gonna do to it after these emergency fixes are behind us, and we can settle down and come up with a master plan and get things ordered and have them here in a timely manner. We got a lot of plans for this place. We just need to get them down on paper and design. If you want to follow along, then be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know when we put up a new video. Hey, and if you like these videos, you could really help me out a lot by hitting that thumbs up button. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. You stay safe and have a great day.